Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use the Odoo inventory module. So let's get right into it. Now, you can set it up either when you're first creating your dashboard or your database, or you can go into the apps menu and install it. But once you install it, your inventory module will be here on the main dashboard. From here, just click on it, and as you can see here, you'll see a pretty much overview of your inventory right over here, where you can open up your receipts, your delivery orders, and your point of sale orders, none of which I have at the moment. But the main thing you're going to want to do is change your products. You can go into your products list. As you can see, I only have tips over here, but if I go, I can create a new one. I'll name it test. I'll track the inventory. The quantity on hand is going to be 10. I'm going to invoice it by ordered quantities. The product type will be goods. Sales price will be, 10. Cost will be 5. And you can add inventory notes, internal notes, change different options such as the barcode, the reference category if you have it. Doesn't really matter. You can change any of these other settings as well, but pretty much you can just click save. And now if we go into the products menu, as you'll see, the test product is up and running over there. You can also go into operations. You'll see receipts and deliveries. If we go into receipts, as you can see, I don't have any. I can create a new one. Receive from this, for example. Operation type is going to be a receipt. You can add a line if you want to. I'll just choose the test product. The demand is going to be 1, and once that's done, you can click save. And if we go into receipts now, as you'll see, you have that receipt over there, and that's pretty much it. Now, these will most likely manually fill or automatically fill out whenever you're gonna make an or get an order, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.